2 days ago, I used margin safety in Steroid. Margin safety on top of margin safety. Spent $1,300 and bought 50 shares of Ally Finance, symbol ALLY. I bought it at around 26 and a half. The reason behind is simple, because Warren Buffett add another 230 more percent to his holding last quarter, and after that, the current market dropped even more. So my plan is simple. I'm going to buy lower than his purchase price using my 13 years of stock analysis skill and try to catch the bottom, which will create margin safety in Steroid. Okay, so last time I did something similar with this concept. I purchased a blue chip stock during the pandemic 2 years ago, turning my $1,600 investment into $4,500. And also this baby is now currently paying me 11% dividends, which I'm still holding it. So it's pretty juicy. Yeah. Let's talk about Ally Finance. I'm not going to walk through what Ally Finance is and the financial stuff. There's a lot of good video on YouTube that you can find, and they did a very good job on it. You can simply just search for them. But instead, I'm going to talk about my plan on how to minimize risk and to earn my next 100% blue chips gain. Also have the potential to give me 10% dividends. As the title said, it's all about margin safety in Steroid. It's a concept that I create. I'm going to walk through it on how to use it, and I'm going to use Ally Finance for this purchase as an example of what I'm going to do. There are 4 key conditions that you have to meet before you make this purchase, and I will one by one step it out inside this video. So to buy the margin of safety on Steroid, 4 conditions must be met. It is all about timing. So what are you looking for? So number 1, Warren Buffett must own the stock during the bear market where everything is looking bad and dropping. Let him calculate for you. His first purchase means one thing: the stock he bought is under the first intrinsic value that he calculated. But when you look at this price, it is the first sign that this stock is already cheaper than the current market price. So this is the first layer of margin of safety. Second condition is what you look for in his second time of adding a position to his existing position. For example, in Q1 he bought 9 million share at a price of $43.50 on this Ally Finance. At Q2 he bought 30 million additional at a price of $33.50. What does this mean? Is he wrong or something? For me, this means only one thing: the market is selling lower than its intrinsic value that he had been calculating, and that's it. Even bought more, it means that he feels the supermarket is on sale and he just need to buy more, and that add another layer of margin of safety. Number 3, this is the John and me special. Okay, it is based on my 13 years of trading 1,000 penny stocks experience. The RSI must be under 30 or around 30. Okay, so up and down 30, below 30 is good. It is also best to have an inverted RSI pattern. So you can look at this line, compare with this line. So this is what I mean, okay? This RSI inverted 30 only means one thing: the stock is super oversold and have many short positions in it. So based on my experience, this is the best time to catch the bottom. Like buying here usually catch temporary short squeeze, meaning the people will need to cover their short position, causing the stock to go up fast in a short period of time. So the day you buy at those signals during that day will have a greater chance of being profitable after a days or two, which will give you a peace of mind. This technical part combined with Warren Buffett value investing is the steroid on his margin of safety. Of course, I hope this will work, right? If not, you can just laugh at me. And number 4 is actually one of the most important, but it's kind of soft. Because this is not a trade, I don't sell on stop loss. Like I don't put stops on it. There's no guarantee what will happen if I'm wrong. This position meant to sit here for around 5 years to earn those juicy dividends. So the investment should be the amount what we are comfortable of putting for the last like for the next 5 years. So don't invest more than you can afford. Yeah, that's it. It is done. My goal is to hope this stock will raise 100% in the next 2 and 5 years, with additional of 10% dividends. Because I'm a Canadian, I have to say this. Sorry. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And if you want to reference how I turned $1,600 into $4,500 on a blue chip company during 2022, you can check out my video here.